Before starting programming with GoLang on Windows 11, Go programming environment needs to be installed correctly. In this tutorial, let me show you how to do that. To begin, open any web browser on your computer. In the search box, type GoLang in one word and hit enter. And from search results, click on the first result from go.dev. This will take you to the official Go programming language website. Once you are here, click on Download button. On this page, you will see different download options depending on operating system you are using. For Windows users, click on Microsoft Windows option. Download process will begin. Simply wait for it to complete. Once download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. Then double-click on Installer to open the installation setup. You will land on a welcome screen. Simply click on Next to continue. Read the license agreement, accept the terms, and then click on Next. Default installation path is fine, so click Next again. When you are ready, click Install. Installation will begin. Wait for the process to complete. When the installation is complete, click on Finish. To check if Go has been installed correctly, open Command Prompt. Then type Check Version command and hit Enter. When you see Go version displayed, it means Go has been successfully installed on your computer. So that is how you can install Go on a Windows 11 PC. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.